Hi, 17th August 2026. Time is 5:45 p.m. and I'm here near Heathrow. Location and time is very important. Sitting on the bench, and there's a McDonald's there. Trust me, guys, this is already causing big impact from these so-called spies. No, man, personal from the dark web. Special dark web is just, I don't know how they're managing, but someone somewhere there like a G0 giving them these groups, casinos, participants, groups, cars, different cars, so-called cars, groups now. Corona, Corona, Sun Corona. There is no English in it. This is just, speaking about the English, they tried it like USSR tried it. There is a special language they try to invent called Esperanto. Many Slavic words and other words, they try to come up with a new language where all Soviet Union can speak same language. Maybe old idea or Hebrew, I don't know. Or, sorry, I mean, Jew brothers and sisters, I don't want to be anti-Semitic, or rather quite contrary to that. But there, and the people, lots of people says that. 1 second, someone is passing through. So, lots of people says that Hebrew is also just made up language. As a general knowledge, or just a general opinion is that I believe that no language is possible once died, or it cannot be resurrected. Once people gone, the special area like Malula, Yusufzai. I think there is an area in Syria somewhere, old Bible or Jesus used to speak that language cannot be resurrected. That language, I personally don't believe Egyptian hieroglyphs can be translated. My personal opinion, it's not possible. Just by the writing or symbols you can translate it. By even the people, they say Coptic churches, the Christian one, they're Coptic people from Misr, Egypt. They say they are descendant of pharaohs. But my actual pharaoh was more nearer to not black, but rather Somali race. Ilhan Omar, Donald Trump certainly forgot. Cannot be resurrected any language. I mean, Urdu is a amalgam of many languages, but it become official language. People recorded, written, but still, old Urdu cannot be spoken. Cannot be spoken. It's not possible. Like old English. What was saying? Yeah. One second. So the multilingual, I speak 3 languages. Sometime I am familiar with I can easily be fluent in Arabic and Russian once it's been exposed to the people, and if I live 3 months or so in the atmosphere, surroundings, and This, this, they, they're not speaking. That's what I'm saying. These so-called encrypted messages, they just made it up languages. Use and throw from different languages. Even European Union tried. They come up with a unified language where they speak all of them one language. Many countries fight each other because of the language. Ukraine and Russia, same people, Slavic language, dialect, little bit difference. In Pakistan, there are fights just because of the language. Even Arabs, they are different races. Just because of language, they call them united, but they're not race. Many Arabs, I don't know what's the definition of difference between if Kurds speaking Arabic and then what I'm saying, these are confusion especially created around me, different languages, words like Lala Harekan Hawaii, Lula da Silva in Brazil. Lala is in Punjabi, in Pashto they say, like big brother, or Lal is like a red one. People used to they give the name, used to give their name. It was quite common. Lal Singh, Lal Khan, Lal Prashad. It was quite common. Red one, Lala, Hurricane Lala. Lula is penis. Lula da Silva is Brazilian elections. Laura Kunzberg. BBC. Which language? It can be, it's quite deliberate. Like Anthony Guterres. No, Guterres is English. Sorry, Anthony Guterres. I tried to send a message, invite me to COP Balam. They did not. No, the Istanbul. Yeah, COP 31, I think, is 30. Global warming. It's just that, keep rolling it over. So-called buying time. Transitional period. Andy Burnham was crying about reflection, fake degrees. Jason Arden. Man, there are many people I personally know. They came from India, Pakistan. Now they are professors teaching economics, bogus visas, so-called bogus universities. Lot of money. I personally know that. I have no idea about the economics or something. They are teacher and all, qualified original degrees. Hasn't got a degrees. What about the one who got original degrees? And they are getting wrong or getting redundant. I haven't got a special qualification. Technical. Andy Burnham was technical college. In Pakistan, my hometown, Jhelum, there's a technical college. Special, they made a technical college where, the vocational training. How to repair fridge, air conditions, induction motors, how to make induction motors, right in front of a big army unit. They make it technical college. Very obsessed with me. Lot of electricians here from Pakistani Indian origin. Electrician, my family, I will talk about it. My daughter is doing electrician course. She completed, the youngest one, Britain. My brother has got electrician job. I haven't got electrician degree. A qualification, vocational training. Sing Kyong, man, getting vocational trainings in a bad Chinese. Someone sponsoring all that, vocational trainings. What possible? Try to make a connections. लेट्स स्पीक लिटिल बिट उर्दू। तो ये मैं बात कह रहा था कि भी उर्दू भी बोलनी चाहिए ना, तो थोड़ी हिंदी में भी बात करनी चाहिए। मानक मानसब बनाया है मेरे को, तो अभी पुरुष नहीं है तो महापुरुष बना दो, भगवान बना दो। माय नेम इज़ भगवान, मैं भगवान। ये अब मैं आपको बताऊँ, इंडियन जो है वो इधर में हीथ्रो में 2017-16 में जॉब मिल गई, तो इंडियन कहता है मेरा सुपरवाइज़र बना हुआ ड्राइवर का, तो बेसिक जॉब पे, तो इंडिया से आया था अभी, तो मुझे कहता है तू हिंदी ना बोल, ये हिंदी नहीं है, हिंदी दूसरी ज़बान है। आजकल मुझ पे दूसरी भाषा है बल्कि कहना चाहिए। मेरे साथ काफ़ी पर्सनल हो रहा था, हिंदू था। अभी ये बड़े ब्रोकन हार्ट है इस तरह के। एक सिख भी था जोश, सुपरवाइज़र मेरा बड़ा, वो उधर साउथ हाल से, वो अभी ये काफ़ी सिख मेरे साथ पर्सनल है, हिंदू वगैरह। अभी तो पंजाबी भी ना कि पंजाबी भी आनी है, तो कह रहा था पंजाबी कहना वै बड़े मुस्लिम आ रहे असा, फिर लग गया सुपरवाइज़र। टर्मिनल 4 से मेरा सुपरवाइज़र बढ़ गया। अगले दिन गोरा ले आया उसकी, इसने नाल ना गल करी। मैं तो सुनना पाया तक कंजरियां नचनियां पिया कराची दिया, यूट्यूब तक आ पिया। मैं है बॉलीवुड तो तका मैनू, मैं तो कम करन आया, मिनिमम वेजेस है मैनू पता मेरे बारे के तुम इंफॉर्मेशन दसने रहने हो। फिर गोरा अगले दिन गोरा उसकी बचावा पाया, इसने ना गल ना करी, इनू पता चल जाएगा। जोश इमोशनल होए सिख मेरे नाल है, बड़े सिख MNA MPA बढ़िया डिग्रियाँ पुलिस हिंदू इंडियन। पठान है पागल होए मेरे से, पठान मैं हूँ पठान, बॉलीवुड ना लग गया सी, मेरे मगर पै गया सी खान अकैडमी, ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ। ਪਠਾਨ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ, बड़े MNA, बड़ियाँ जॉबा, बड़ियाँ कुड़ियाँ, राजा रिजवान मुश्ताक बड़ियाँ मेरा नाम। अभी मैं पंजाबी तो हिंदी ना बोलूँ, एक बड़ी आप इतनी अच्छी हिंदी बोल लेती है इस तरह की। इधर बड़े बंदे हैं कि ये वो बॉलीवुड की ज़बान बोलता है। गोरो कालो बड़े काले मेरे मगर लगे अल्लाह वास्ते, वो भैड़ के मेरे मुँह सुनन, काले काले मगर लगे मेरे, कालियाना उले शे बाबा लुलू के नास कैमी मंडो बड़े बड़े पॉलिटिशियन, बड़ा जुल्म होया कालिया नाल, बड़ा जुल्म होया इंडिया नाल, बड़ा जुल्म किया चर्चल ने, बड़ियाँ पॉलिटिक्स खोलियां मेरे ते, फुटबॉल पढ़ाया ने मेरे ते। नहीं अभी हिंदी में ना बोला जाए मानक मानसब पागल खाना एक, परंतु मुझे तुरंत मानक मानसब बना लोगों तो भाई मानो आप कौन सी मूवी बनाई थी, माय नेम इज़ खान। उधर से राजा कहते हैं, राजे हिंदू थे तो नहीं, राजे मुसलमान, उधर से ततारिस्तान से आए थे तो नहीं, ईरान से आए थे, ब्रह्मा से आए थे, तो अपर क्लास तो लोअर क्लास बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज है। लेट्स switch back to English, isn't it? My international audience, there's a reason I speak a few words or sentence, and they are fully using them. I mean, there is big population, about 2 billion people. Same languages are about over 2 billion people can understand if they want it to be understand. So that's how it becomes, you know. Father came and now daughter can speak fluent English. connected tissues. I don't know. Biggest misinformation was spread, massive, and still being spread. Casino na, but thankfully it's getting less and less because the dark web is getting exposed. They're not coming up now. They have to tell that who told them, who streamed that to their WhatsApp group, their driver, top manager. Accident, air crash landing, ship sank. Russia is bombing now. Steel mills, car, steel car nationalized British steel industry. China is taking over. I mean, if they speak English, you need a new technology, everything restructured. It doesn't feasible anymore. There's no more global warming. Tinderbox, Britain. I think it is mean Andy Burnham mean current prime minister, incompetent prime minister Britain. Meant that politically rights first devote Polish, no Eastern Europeans, so-called Russians. No devote foreigners. Immigration shouldn't be gone that way. I think that video is enough. Bye bye. Thank you.